This
So
conference
let's
will now
start,
be
guys.
recorded.
Okay. So, guys, in today's class, I will explain you about the prerequisites. So, what do we need to start with our course? Okay. So, DevOps, like to maybe to do regular classes and to do the practice and all. So, what is the prerequisite required? That is what I'm going to show you in today's class. And for that purpose, I need a volunteer, guys. Okay. So for that purpose, I need a volunteer who will take care, who join from laptop, so that I will show you the prerequisite. In which in your laptop, what do you need? I will show you. Anybody? Anybody join from laptop? Can you please? You don't need to have anything, guys. Just follow my instruction. So Shiva, Smile, Gayatri. Anybody? Anybody join from laptop? I will show you the prerequisite. What do you need in your laptop? Are you guys able to hear me?
Yes, but I have a baby actually, so
Oh, okay, okay. Sure, sure. What about others? Shiva, Raghavendra, Smile. Can someone please respond to me?
I'm using mobile, sir.
Okay. What about others?
Same here, sir.
Shiva.
I'm using mobile, sir.
Okay. Is it possible to join from laptop? Because that is compulsory. I have to show in your laptop. If
5 minutes,
possible,
sir.
can
I'm
you please?
opening.
Yeah, yeah. Please go ahead. Please. So guys, always join from laptop only. Okay, until unless you are outside or you are in office somewhere means that is okay. But please join from laptop only. That is compulsory, guys. Okay, compulsory. We have to join from laptop every day. So quickly join so that I will show you what is required in your laptop. Yeah, quickly. So Raghavendra, right? You're only starting your screen, right? I mean, laptop, right? You're joining from laptop.
Yes.
Okay, yeah. Please quickly do it. So tomorrow onwards, guys, compulsory. Please join from laptop only. Everybody, okay, na? So because unnecessarily it's a time waster. Like we have to make sure that the setup is ready. So directly we can jump with our regular class. So there are so many things, guys, to learn. Please cooperate with me. Okay, so again, you need more dedication. So minimum 4 to 5 hours you have to spend per day, guys. There are so many things to learn. Please help us and make sure that so in that way you will be again getting more knowledge, guys. Okay, so make sure that tomorrow compulsory, tomorrow onwards, everybody should join from laptop only. So until unless you are from outside or something, you have a problem with your laptop or you are on your office. So quickly make it, Raghavendra. Hello, Raghavendra, are you there?
Yeah,
So
it's
can you
correcting.
please okay. Meanwhile, others also. Anybody like if ready with laptop, please let me know. So Venu Madhavi, any chance you are ready with your laptop? Hello, Venu Madhavi.
I'm trying, sir.
Okay. Yes. So always, guys, please join from laptop tomorrow onwards. So please let me know once like you are ready. In today's class, guys, what I am going to show you we are going to create our AWS account. Okay. So we are going to create our AWS account. So everybody, see guys, your video has started. So Raghavendra, your video has started. Please stop your video. So as I told, in real time, we will maintain our data centers, right? So it can be your own data center. It can be someone else data center. So nowadays, guys, there are some cloud providers. So means some third party vendor is maintaining the data center and they are providing they are allowing the customers to use those data centers. Okay, so that is what we are calling them as cloud providers. So over the network, we will use their data centers. They are providing the services and we will use those services. So for that purpose, we have to create account. Example, let's take Google, Gmail. Okay, here Google is some third party provider. He is providing us the service called Gmail, mail services. For that purpose, I have to create account with them, right? So Gmail account, and by using that account, I can use their spaces. So I can send mails, I can store mails. Actually, I don't have any storage. He is only maintaining the storage to send the email and all, right? So same concept here also. So I no need to have my own data center, guys. I will create already some third-party cloud providers are there, like AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, Oracle Cloud, and all. Simply we can create account with them and we can create servers there only. That's what I'm going to show you today. Okay, so Raghavendra, it seems you joined. So can I give control to you? Oh, you left again. Raghavendra. Yes, I can see you. Yes, Raghavendra. I given control to you. Can you please start now? You can share your screen now. Yeah, good. I can see your screen. Can you please open Google now? So guys, everybody, you have to create this. Okay, now without fail. Yeah. So type AWS Management Console. AWS Management Console. Hmm. Open the first one. So everybody, you have to create account with this guys to proceed further. Yeah. Create a free account. Yeah. So, oh, you have already account, Raghavendra? Hello, Raghavendra. Do you have already account?
Account. My friend's account is there.
No, no. Create freshly. So I'm showing
Okay.
you how to create. Come down. Below you
Okay.
will get the option. Come down. Create AWS account. Create new AWS account. Yeah. So getting some noise, Raghavendra. You can mute yourself. So guys, make sure that you don't have any disturbance from your end. Getting
Okay.
some noise. Raghavendra, mute yourself.
One second.
First mute yourself, please. Then create your account. Provide your email address, password, account name, anything. So provide your email address. And guys, don't do simultaneously. Okay, na. So anyway, after the class, you will get a recording, right? After that, please create your follow the recording, but don't do simultaneously now because you will miss the things if you do simultaneously. Continue. Okay. So it seems account already there. Please change the email address. Hmm. How many accounts you have?
Sir, can I share the screen? I'm ready for them.
Oh, great. If Ravan is not a problem, we'll go with your screen. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, that's great.
I want to create new accounts, sir.
Yes. Please
New
provide a
email
new.
ID also.
Oh, you don't have email ID? I mean, already it seems already you have account.
I'll
Then
be
let's go
using,
with
sir.
Venu Madhavi. Okay, na?
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Maybe tomorrow you can share your screen. Sorry.
Okay, sir. Sure.
Yes, Venu Madhavi. Please share your screen. But tomorrow, guys, compulsory join from laptop only. See, today because of no one has joined from laptop, so almost 15 minutes we wasted. So we should not do this. Yeah. See, guys, after your mail address, everything. Okay, this is the second page. Yeah, go with personal account.
This one,
In
sir.
real time, we go with business account. What is different, you will come to know later. But as of now, let's go with personal. Provide your email address, number, everything. Hmm. Just say just high tech city something Hyderabad. That's it. No need to give full address.
And
Yeah.
continue, sir.
Yes. Continue. Come down. Come down. Come down. Uh, high tech city. Telangana. Give correctly. TELAGANA. Okay. Correct. TELANGANA.
Okay.
Yeah. This is correct. Continue now. Still same problem. Show me again. The address is please check out country and region. Come down. Come down.
Pin code one extra zero is there.
Okay,
Okay.
okay. Good. Now continue. Okay, good. Yeah, wait, Madhavi. So guys, see here, compulsory we have to provide credit card or debit card information. Okay, now why? Because AWS providing so many services, not only free services, only 750 hours per month free up to 1 year for promotional purpose they are doing this. Okay, so compulsory we have to provide the credentials, I mean credit or debit card information. So when mother, please unshare your screen
Okay, sir.
while providing your credit or debit card information. So make sure that don't share your screen at any cost in the same in payment page. Okay, na? Because it's a recorded session, Venu Madhavi.
Okay, sir.
So make sure that you are providing. Don't share your screen. So let us know once you're done with your payment. Okay na? So guys, 2 rupees it will again will be deducted. Why? Because just for verification purpose. Okay na? 2 rupees will be deducted. If you are from outside US or UK, $1 it will be deleted. Sorry, so debited from your account. And don't do simultaneously, guys. Just follow my screen. That's it. So this account is compulsory for everybody. So I hope it's going well. Any problem? Any issues, Ven Madhavi?
Sir, my debit card is not accepting, sir.
Okay, so try with a different card. It's Master or Visa card. You should try.
I don't have, sir.
Okay, but without that you cannot create. Which card you are trying to use? You are using?
Rupee, sir.
Sorry.
Andhra Bank.
Rupee, I don't think so. Rupee, it won't work out. You have to use other account. I don't think so. Rupee will work. Only Master, Visa. Any chance your parents' cards, your brothers, your friends? Sorry,
No, sir, I don't have. I think so.
you don't have, but that is mandate. At least by tomorrow you have to make it.
Okay.
Okay, na? That is compulsory. To create account, compulsory you need that. Without that, we can't proceed.
Okay.
Okay. Meanwhile, anybody else, guys? This is the problem. Maybe Raghavendra, let's proceed with you only. Just create your maybe I think already you have account, right?
Yeah, sir.
Then we'll log into it now. Anyway, so already, guys, after the payment page, uh, again the next page will be mobile verification. Once your payment is done, so after that, it will ask you do you need free account or paid version. So 3 options it will show you. So go with free option only. Okay, that's it. Your login will be done. Yeah, then log into your account, Raghavendra. Below option
Okay,
is there
sir.
already. Come down. Come down. Below option is there. No, here itself. That's why. So guys, before tomorrow class, you should create your account at any cost. Okay, na? Yeah. So once you create your account, you can log in like this. So make it fast. What happened? You lost your password? Hello, Raghavendra. What happened? You lost your password, huh? So guys, anybody else ready with your maybe account? Sorry for the inconvenience. Initial class, right? It will be like this only. But if you can support me, guys, this kind of delays and all we can avoid. Okay, if everybody join from laptop. Okay, if every okay. So guys, what we do now? Maybe Shiva Krishna. What about you? Ismail, Shiva Krishna, Swastik, Srinivas. Anybody? Now see Raghavendra has problem with the login. So support me guys. Please help me. Like if you are silent like this, we can't do anything. You have to respond. What is happening? Yeah, I'm ready with this one. I'm in office. Something like that you have to say. Otherwise, how can I say know that? So Gayatri said she has problem. So she has kid. Like that. Simply silent
Amar, I'm
means
carrying
what
my
is the
office
use?
laptop. No, Amar, I'm carrying my office laptop where all are restricted in my office machine. So I can't do
Oh,
this.
okay.
I'll arrange by tomorrow. I'll try to arrange my personal machine.
Sure, definitely. Yeah, that is what we need, guys. First, respond to me. What is
Sorry
happening?
for
You
that.
have to tell me. I'm keep on asking. No one responding. Swastik, so I don't know. I'm unable to hear you. What about Ismail and Gayatri? Because guys, this setup is compulsory required. Without this setup, you can't do anything. Okay, now. So if I show, then only you can make it. No, I need a
Hi, Amar
volunteer.
Ismail.
Yes, Ismail. Chapandi, tell me.
Yeah, I'm outside today. I'll be available from tomorrow with laptop.
Sure. Make sure that, okay, na? So
Yeah,
compulsory,
sir.
guys, everybody should log in from laptop and respond to me, guys, always. Then that way only, like the class will be interactive session and we can make class very interesting. Simply silent means it won't work out. What about others? Srinivas, what about you?
Sir,
Srinivas,
good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. I also joined with laptop tomorrow. Sir.
tomorrow only, yeah? Then what we do now? Because without that setup, we can't proceed anything. Everybody has some problem.
Yes,
Okay. Then let's do one thing, guys. Let's make it tomorrow only. Why? Because now no one has the setup, right? So everybody has problem. So make sure that you create your account before tomorrow class. Okay, na?
Okay, okay, okay.
Everybody before tomorrow class, you should ready with your setup. Here last so guys, I showed for payment page, right? Up to payment page. So after the payment page, you will get mobile verification page. You have to give your mobile number and verify it. Then after, it will show you like which type of account you need. So three options you will get: basic or free account, or paid. Some paid versions it will show you. So go with basic only. For our practice purpose, basic is enough. Okay, na? So make sure that the setup is ready. Everybody should have your account without fail. And if at all you have any problem, please ping me in group chat to create your account. Okay, na? Compulsory that account required. Then only you can learn the things. There only we do the practice. Okay, na, guys?
okay, sir.
Everybody. And one
Okay.
more thing
Yes.
I want to
Okay.
show you. One more thing I want to show you. Any Madhavi, can you please share your screen one more time? What else you need, I will show you. Apart from
Sir,
account.
I'm trying my friend account, sir. 2 minutes, sir. It will take 2 minutes.
Sure, sure. Yeah, please go ahead.
Okay.
Okay, I think guys, RuPay account it won't take. Compulsory. Like what I have to say, like Visa or MasterCard you have to take. Okay, na? Visa or MasterCard we have to take. RuPay, I don't think so. It won't work out. That is compulsory. Hello, Venumadavi. So what's happening? So this is the problem, guys. If only one, we depends on one. Okay, now compulsory. Please join from laptop only tomorrow onwards. Everybody, make sure that.
Hello, sir. Hello, sir.
I'm sorry, Venumadavi. Are you speaking? I'm unable to hear you.
Sir,
Hello.
hello.
Yes, Venumadavi. Cheppandi. Tell me.
Sir, I tried, sir, but last OTP is not working, sir. Can you
Okay.
share this?
Maybe you can try that after the class. Okay, na? But meanwhile, can you share your screen?
Sure, sir.
You can close that. Okay, as of now. And can you share your screen once? I'll show one more thing. What we need in your laptop. Open new putty session. Oh, I think payment done.
Yes, sir, but OTP is not coming, sir.
Oh, okay. This is for mobile verification. Okay, you
Yes,
can
sir.
try this later. One more thing I will show you. Can you please open new tab? Putty
Please,
download.
please check the country code. That's why OTP is not coming. Country code.
I'm sorry.
Check the country code. That's why the OTP is not coming. Country code.
Uh-huh. Okay, click on that AWS sign up one more time.
Yes, yes. That India,
Okay,
India.
select Indian. Maybe try that.
Yes.
B.
RB2HYNY.
Do one thing. Go with voice. Here voice option also there, right? Go with voice. First option. Click on the speaker button. You will
Voice
get
call.
voice.
Oh,
Yes.
yeah.
Now type whatever you listen.
RFHZWTN. RFHZWTN.
Okay. Srinivas, can you please mute yourself? Getting too much disturbance. Hello, Srinivas. Mute yourself, please. So everybody, guys, we have to mute your like ourselves. If you are speaking, then only unmute it. Otherwise, mute it. Click on send SMS. Maybe Venmadavi, you can try this later. Okay. So something problem. So meanwhile, open your new tab. You can try after the class. Okay. So it's taking some time, it seems. Can you please open new tab? Everybody, guys, apart from the AWS account, Okay, this application also you have to install in your laptop. Putty download. Can you type Putty download? Everybody, whoever using Windows laptop, you have to use this option also. This application also. Putty download. Go with first one. Again, first one. Again, first one. Yes. Download it. Download and install. What happened? Click on it. The first one. Putty option is there. Right? Have you downloaded? What happened when Madhavi?
Yes, my screen is available.
Download. Just come. Scroll me. Actually, I'm unable to see what's happening. Is it downloading?
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. Can you please put it out? We lost your screen actually. Yeah.
Now,
Now
sir?
next. Yeah. Now I can see. Click on next button. Install. So everybody, guys, you have to install this application also in your laptop apart from the account. Okay, na? If you are ready with this setup tomorrow, so then we'll start actual classes, guys, where we will explain about topics. Linux. First, before start with the DevOps, we should understand Linux concepts, guys. Linux is an operating system. Okay, na? So tomorrow, first we'll start with Linux. How to install Linux operating system. How to start with the topics and all. We will see. Why it's taking this much time? Today, everything is very like getting delayed, guys. I don't know why. So
Yeah, exactly.
Ask
yeah,
anyone, sir, to share the screen.
I'm sorry.
Ask anyone, sir, to share the screen.
No, no, that's
Their
fine.
screen.
Actually, it's not your problem or network problem. Some technical problems only. That's fine. So I don't know why it's taking this much time. Generally, it should not take this much time. But see, guys, tomorrow onwards, compulsory. I think it's
Yes,
working now.
yes, yes,
Compulsory, we should be ready
yes,
with
yes.
this setup. Make sure that everybody join from laptop only. Don't join from mobile at any cost until unless you're outside, something like that. Yeah, finish. That's it, guys. So make sure that everybody you created your own account, AWS account plus no need to open this. Only you install Putty application. Both are required. Okay. So then only you can make it, guys. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So I think it's enough for today. And so sorry for the inconvenience. Definitely it's everything like delayed today. No
From my
problem.
side also,
Okay.
sir.
And no problem, no problem. So it's not your problem. Initial classes will be like this only, common. But make sure that guys, tomorrow onwards, everybody should join from laptop only. We should have this setup, AWS account plus, and this Putty application also we should install by default. Okay, na? Then we'll proceed with our actual classes. Yeah. Okay then, guys. We'll see again tomorrow, same time, same link.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay,
Bye.
sir.
Bye, guys.
Thank you, guys.
Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.